today's episode with Crafting with Erica, we are making these cute little ridiculous Halloween crafts for kids or adults. I actually really enjoyed making them, which is why I made 3. I'm a little bit of a kid at heart, obviously. Definitely not actually a kid, but this one's a cute ghost. We got a pumpkin over here, and we have a really flappy bat. For today's purpose, we're going to actually make the pumpkin because he is the cutest, simplest one, and you can use these techniques to make the other 2. Let's get started. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some craft paper. I got a variety pack. You're going to need googly eyes because every kid's project you need some form of googly eye. You're going to need some type of tacky glue. You can use tacky glue, you can use stick glue, hot glue. If it's a kid, I suggest tacky or hot glue. If it's a kid, I suggest either tacky glue or stick glue. And you're going to need some scissors. Child-friendly scissors, obviously. Now, let's get started. The first thing is you are going to be cutting some strips. The strips are roughly maybe about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch wide, and they are approximately maybe about 10 inches long. And the strips are going to be used to make these sections. You're going to need 4 strips, so I'm going to cut the last one here. I'm just eyeballing it. It doesn't have to be perfect. So, done with this one. And then you're going to glue them together. Take my tacky glue. Put a little dab. I'm just going to put a little dab at the end of each of them, so you know, it gets extra tacky. Put a little dab. There we go. And then we're just going to take them and fold it over to glue it to itself. So you're going to make these little rings. Hold it for a couple seconds to make sure it's nice and sticky. And do it with the rest of them. I think I'm going to make a few more of these just to decorate my front door. Alright, so we have 4 rings. Now, once the rings look like they're nice and sturdy, we're going to take it and we're going to put a little dab. We're going to put a little dab on the inside. Oh no, my glue! A little dab on the inside, and we're going to cross it in. Just like so. You're going to take the tacky glue and put a little more under here. Alright, hold this for a few seconds. And for the next ones, you're going to do the same concept, but you're going to go this way and this way. And now we have a bouncy sphere. Just to repeat, we took them and we just laid them across each other so that you get this really cute bouncy sphere. Next step is we want to add the googly eyes. Put as many googly eyes as you want. If you want a cyclops, a 3-eyed pumpkin. I'm going to do 2 because I am basic. So I'm going to do a 2-eyed pumpkin. Oh, the glue is driving me insane. Hocus pocus, small glue pocus. Much better. Got a small one. Let's do this one. Oh, Say, look, I can't work with big glues or small glues. Which one do I want to put an eyeball on? I think I'll put an eyeball on this one. Hold it down. This one I think may have way too much glue on it, but I'm going to try it anyway. I think it has too much glue. It does, but it kind of makes it look dorky, which is kind of cute. They're a little crooked. It's okay. I'm gonna let that dry for a second next to the ghost. Because now we need to make the little stem. So for the stem, you're gonna need the brown paper. You know, it's a good thing this glue dries clear. Because I have a giant glue puddle under my eyeball. It's like a leaking eyeball. So you're just gonna cut a little piece of paper. You're gonna fold it accordion style. Nice accordion. Ooh. Put a little glue on it, not an obnoxious amount like I did with the eyeball. And I'm gonna stick it on his head. I'm gonna let it sit for a little so it gets nice and tacky. Then I'm gonna stick it on the head. The mouth, you can do whatever you want. I'm gonna make a mouth kind of look similar to that. So I'm gonna take my black construction paper, cut out a rectangle. So that my mouth is symmetrical, I'm gonna cut my fold my rectangle in half, just like so. And then I'm going to cut out a mouth as neatly as possible. Then I'm going to cut out, I think I'm going to do one tooth. I think he's going to be a one-tooth wonder. Oh, that mouth is way too big. Way too big. He doesn't need a mouth that big. That means he's going to be talking all night to all the trick-or-treaters. Okay. That's better. I'm just going to make him a one-tooth wonder. Cut out a little square. There we go. Okay. I like my mouth to be a little crooked to add a little personality. Because everyone needs a little personality. Plop the stem on top. He's so ridiculous looking. I kind of love him. This guy has two teeth. He has one tooth. He is now the new best friend to our ghost. And I can't let you forget about our bat. Actually, I think the bat might be my favorite one. In either case, I hope you had fun. I hope you made some and that you can add this to your Halloween tradition with your little kiddos or your adults. Whichever works for you. Happy Halloween or pre-Halloween. Come on, the whole month of September and October are basically Halloween. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and thank you. Bye!